He rescinded an executive order that his predecessor, Governor Bev Perdue, had issued back in December. And it was just a very convoluted situation to begin with. Governor Perdue issued an executive order creating a judicial commission, a so-called nonpartisan, neutral, independent group of people who would select judges, or at least provide her with suggestions for judges when there were vacancies on the state bench. It turned out that when she spelled out who would be on the commission, it was pretty much every left-wing group you can possibly imagine. So it may have technically been nonpartisan, but it certainly was not non-ideological. And she was supposed to be using this, as I say, if there were vacancies on the bench. But then, near the very end of her term, when Patricia Timmons Goodson resigned from the Supreme Court, allowing the outgoing governor to make one more appointment before she left to the bench, she rescinded the executive order creating the Judicial Commission just until she left office.
It was one of those never mind moments.
That's right, exactly. Rules apply to thee, not to me. And so she then appointed Sherry Beasley, who was an appeals court judge, to that position on the Supreme Court, and then also on her way out the door appointed 3 other people to Superior Court judge positions, and also her general counsel to the opening on the appeals court bench, again, without consulting this judicial commission. Governor McCrory came in and said, wait a minute, as the governor, I have the constitutional authority to select judges. I can consult with whoever I want to, but this idea of having this formal panel convened to have official deliberations about who should be on the bench is something that may sound okay, but I'm not going to do it, and certainly I'm not going to attempt to tie the hands of my successors to do the same thing.